So here's how you can copy text from a PDF on the iPad. The first step is to locate your PDF file. It will most likely be part of the Files app. So open it up, and as you can see, it is on the full screen like that. And it's pretty simple from this point on because you can just select and hold down on the individual words and a text like that. Then you can adjust the selection so you incorporate or select as much text as you need, and then the regular sharing options will appear. So obviously you can click on select all, which is useful if you want to extract the entirety of the text, but you can click on copy when you're done and then just paste the text to some different place. So it's pretty simple. It usually works this way with the PDF files on the iPad. But if it, for whatever reason, it doesn't work, perhaps it's not even a PDF, but some kind of different file type, what you can do is to capture a screenshot of that file right there, and you can click on the text button and as well perform the very same thing, because now the text will be like selected, highlighted, and you can copy it all very simply from a screenshot as well. So if it doesn't work directly from the file, you can take a screenshot and then use the text tool right there. So let me know below in the comments if it worked for you. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I'm gonna catch you later in the next tutorials.